Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. It's mild for Christmas Eve as well as Christmas Day. The winds are coming in from the southwest. They could be gusty at times. You can see high pressure extends across the Bay of Biscay, hence the reason why the wind direction is from a mild direction, the southwest. Windy at times, as I said, and through Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, this cloud and rain does intrude from the northwest, extending further south into Boxing Day. The mild air remains to the south of this weather front, colder towards the north. In fact, as we head through the latter part of the Christmas week, it does turn windy in the north and also colder. Now, through Monday evening and into Christmas Eve, Tuesday, temperatures slowly rise. So it's going to be milder towards the end of the night than it was through daytime on Monday. Cloud, though, and outbreaks of rain, which will be persistent, particularly across the northwest Highlands, extending towards Shetland, Caithness, as well as Orkney. From time to time, you can see that cloud waxing and waning towards the far north there, so you could see some dry skies as we head into Christmas Eve, and certainly dry weather for Angus as well as Aberdeenshire. Further south, always more in the way of cloud and some patchy rain and drizzle. Also the chance of some hill fog, with that cloud lowering onto the mountains as well as the hills. So damp for many as we head into Christmas Eve. That rain persistent, particularly over the higher ground, drizzly further south, but some brighter skies coming through across eastern counties, and here temperatures could reach 14 degrees Celsius through the day. So a fairly pleasant day to be out and about. Still rather drizzly across western facing coast with that onshore breeze, and that wind extends across most parts of the country as we head through Christmas Eve. So a mild end to Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. Yes, we will see that cloud and rain just continuing. It's damp though, more than wet. And eventually we'll see some dry skies coming and going as we head into the first part of the 25th. It's going to be a mild night yet again, and dry for some, particularly in shelter, but the winds hopping over the Highlands could turn a bit gusty. Notice on Christmas Day though, this weather front here just slowly skirting the Outer Hebrides, moving in across the far northwest of mainland Scotland as well as Shetland and Orkney through the latter part of the day. Over the hills and the Highlands there'll be a lot of cloud, patchy rain and drizzle, and that weather front sinks southwards, weakens all the while. Still relatively mild on Boxing Day. We can see this weather front waving really across central and northern areas of Scotland on Boxing Day. The milder air remains towards the south, but colder conditions trying to push in from the northwest with another weather front on Friday. The winds then pick up as we head into Saturday, and the air turns colder from the north. So all in all, yes, for the next 60 hours or so, Christmas week, you'll see some mild conditions before things turn a bit colder from the north as we head through Thursday and into Friday. Take care.